Now students, I am discussing the next question. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6 says, a beam of, question number 6 of the assignment which I have sent you. You just go through that. If you can see, you will be getting it. A beam of light consisting of two wavelengths, that is 800 nanometer and 600 nanometer. Two wavelengths, lambda 1 is 800 nanometer and lambda 2 is 600 nanometer. Okay, nanometer is used to obtain interference fringes in a Young's double slit experiment on a screen placed 1.4 meter away. 1.4 meter away, capital D, 1.4 meter away. If two slits are separated by 0.28 millimeter, 0.28 millimeter, calculate the least distance, okay, from the central bright or central maximum, where the two fringes, where the bright fringes of the two wavelengths coincide. Try to understand. In the interference pattern, think about the Young's double slit experiment. In that, alternate dark and bright fringes were produced, and center means the center O, central maxima. It is the central maxima. Okay, from here all the distances are measured. Distance of nth fringe is, bright fringe is n lambda capital D by small d. I think all of you remember this. Moreover, if I consider these two wavelengths, okay, capital D and small d are not changing. Okay, capital D and small d are not changing. That's why for both the wavelengths, to coincide, what should be there? What should be? Xn should be the same. The distance section should be the same. As capital D by small d will be a constant, so n1 lambda 1 must be equal to n2 lambda 2. Why? Because n lambda should be a constant. So n1 lambda 1 should be equal to n2 lambda 2. Now, always when two wavelengths are coinciding, that means the order will be different. Order will be differing by 1 in this case, because we have to find out the minimum distance. Look, here the question is, what is the minimum? Here, calculate the least distance. तो least distance निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो दोनों wavelengths का order है, वो दोनों they will be differing by 1. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? As lambda 1 is greater than lambda 2, so n1 should be less than n2. चूंकि तभी ना होगा, lambda 1 is greater than lambda 2, so n1 is less than n2. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? एक से ऑर्डर डिफर करना चाहिए. So let n, या तुम ऐसा कर दो, n2 is greater, तो so n2 is equal to n1 plus 1. ऐसा कर दो, n1 plus 1, n2 is equal to n1 plus 1. ये हो जाएगा in that case. Alright, n2 is greater, so n2 is equal to n1 plus 1. तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर? n1 की जगह पर n1 रहेगा, lambda 1 की जगह पर क्या रहेगा? 800, okay, into 10 to the power minus 9 is equal to n1 plus 1 into क्या रहेगा? 600 into 10 to the power minus 1. दोनों साइड से ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 2 zeros will also be cancelled. So n1 plus 1 by n1 is equal to 8 by 6 means 4 by 3. ठीक है? Which implies 4n1 is equal to thrice n1 plus 3. So n1 is equal to 3. इसका मतलब हुआ, अगर n1 का वैल्यू 3 होता है तो ये कोइंसाइड करेगा. ठीक है, n1 का वैल्यू 3. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ xn? रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू ऑफ xn इज इक्वल टू n1 लैम्डा कैपिटल D बाई स्मॉल d. ले लो n1 का वैल्यू 3. लैम्डा इसके लिए कौन सा लैम्डा लेंगे? n1 ऐसे लैम्डा 1, तो लैम्डा 1 कौन सा हो जाएगा? लैम्डा 1 इज 8 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 9. डी का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 1.4 डिवाइडेड बाई 28 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3, सॉरी 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5. लुक, एक बार चेक कर लो. 0.28 millimeter. So 0.28 millimeter I have converted it into meter. I can write it like this, no problem. Okay, then how to calculate this value? This is 3 into 8, that is 24. That is 24. You can just see 3 into 8, 24 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 14 by 28 into 10 to the power minus 5. इसको कैंसिल करो तो क्या मिलेगा? 12 into 10 to the power minus 5. And answer is 12 into 10 to the power minus 5. You can see here, from here you can get the answer. 1.4, 14, 12 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here is 5, 10 to the power. ठीक है, ठीक है. This much meter will be the answer. See, this is the solution. I hope it's all right. 0.28 millimeter, and this value is all right. This is a very important question. Try to follow this. This is the solution. An important question, and its solution is like this. So this is the final answer. n1 lambda 1 into d divided by this value we have calculated. This is the solution. Okay, it's all right. And one more question I want to discuss. This is the solution of this question, and if I discuss one more question, see, that is